guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their UFO bath bomb, which is amazing. The top of it comes off and it's a little top that you can spin. Inside there's some neon salt crystals and little popping candy. I like when they do multi-part bath bombs like this. So I spun the top on the water, but can't really see it. And then I poured in the salts and the popping candy, and then gently placed the UFO saucer in the tub. This bath bomb was tons of fun. It smelled like lemongrass and berries. It's 8.4 ounces, and the price was $10.95. Definitely like the smell. And I like that you could have the blue and the green and the yellow, and then at the end, the water was a bright, like neon green. It was really neat. And I do have several more of their Halloween bath bombs to do demos on. I also ordered some of the Christmas ones. At least one or two came completely shattered. Other ones, I think there's some damage on them. Because sadly, I don't live very close to a Lush store. I only go maybe once or twice a year, so I have to order them in the mail, and sometimes they can come damaged. Usually they're pretty okay, but wasn't so lucky with the Christmas bath bombs. But here's what the UFO bath bomb looked like towards the end. Pretty foamy. The top had completely dissolved. The spaceship, there was just a donut shape left of that. So I returned it to the tub, let it dissolve for a few more minutes, and this is what it looked like at the end. Can mix the water together. And this was super fun. I highly recommend this bath bomb. If you'd like to order anything from Lush, of course, I have their website linked below. I have a playlist if you'd like to see more demos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.